In today's video, we came up with another new strategy for you, and in this video, we will discuss with you one more strategy and how you can follow it and make a good profit. So in the strategy that we will share today, you have to use 3 indicators and you will get a strong signal by combining those 3 indicators. So the main topic in today's video is how to set up these 3 indicators, then how to do the analysis, and lastly how to make a profit by following this strategy. So let's take a look at today's important strategy without wasting time. So hello viewers, I am an official member of ForexBD. I hope you all are well. First, here we will set up an indicator and its name is MACD. We have already discussed in details the video on how to set up MACD indicator and how to follow it. Maybe many of you may not see it, so who have not seen it must watch the video. Be sure to check it out. Even then, I will tell you in short how to follow it and how to set up it. In today's video, we will show this strategy in TradingView chart, and if anyone can't set up this indicator on mobile or MT4 platform or can't analyze it, then you must comment in the comment box, then we will upload a video on this subject so that trader of all platform can easily follow this indicator and analysis. So you have to set up first to follow the MACD strategy. That's why you first click on strategy and indicator option, then search by typing MACD. Then MACD indicator will come up in front of you. Then once you click on this MACD indicator, this indicator will set up in your chart. Now you can see on the screen that an indicator has been set up below the chart. You can see here that 2 lines have been drawn like moving average. Of course, this line is called MACD line and this line is called signal line. The blue line is MACD line and red line is signal line. The color part you see in the middle without these 2 lines is called histogram. The color of the histogram is green when the market is uptrend and red when the market is on downtrend. Moreover, the size of the histogram increases when there is a large movement in the market. Again, when there is not much movement in the market, the histogram are small. So the way you take entry from here is that when the MACD line crosses the signal line and goes up, then you will take buy entry. And also when the MACD line crosses the signal line and goes down, then you will take sell entry. So this is how you follow the MACD indicator. So I shared how to follow the first indicator of today's strategy. Let's see what to do next to get a strong signal. Although an indicator may not give a good signal all time, so we have to follow more things to get a good and strong signal. So then we will follow another indicator, and that is parabolic SOR. So for that we will set up another indicator in exactly the same way we set up MACD. So same way we will click on indicator option, then we have to type the name of parabolic SOR. So if you type some word, then the indicator will come up in front of you. So you can see indicator list in the chart. Then if you click on the DCR indicator, it will be set up on the screen. You can see this indicator is set up on our chart. Maybe many people don't understand how the indicator is. There is no reason to worry. This is a very simple strategy. You can see this indicator is made up of some point. So when these points are above the market and candle are below, then the market will go down. Again, when these points are below the market and the candle are above, then market will go up. So if candle above the parabolic SOR, then it gives upward signal, and again if candle are below the parabolic SOR, then it gives downward signal. And as long as the points are formed in the same line, the market is in the same trend. You can see here the first point has started and the point are the below of market. These points were below the candlestick, but just when the market start going downtrend, the point went up again. In general, if there are candle above the point, the market will go up, and if there are candle below the point, the market will go down. And when the first point is made in a line, it's time to take entry. So we saw how to set up 2 indicator. Now we will set up the third indicator. For this you will go to the indicator option as before. Then you will search by typing the moving average. Then the moving average indicator will come up in front of you. Then if you click on it, it will set up on your chart. However, you have to make a little bit setting here. As you can see the name of indicator at left side. If you click on setting option from here, you will get a page and select length 200 rate from here. Then click OK and it will be set up on your chart. Now you will analyze through this indicator. But before that, let me say one thing. Those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's take a look at the strategy. So you can see our moving average is drawn on our chart. So when the market crosses the moving average and goes up and stay at the top, then the market will be in uptrend. And when the market crosses the moving average and goes down, then the market will be in downtrend. So here we discuss the use of 3 indicator and highlight the details. Now let's see how to follow these 3 indicator together. First, you have to follow either MACD or parabolic SIR. So first of all, when a new line of parabolic SIR start, you will notice that the parabolic SIR is above or below the candle. So you can see here that parabolic SIR has started. There is a candle on it from the bottom. So you can see here that parabolic SIR has started, and we can see the market is above the parabolic SIR. Then we are getting the signal to rise to the top of the market. Then if we look at the MACD indicator, then we will see that the MACD line crosses the signal line and goes upward. Then here is also get the signal that the market will going up. Then if we look at the moving average, then we can see that the market is above the moving average. So it's understood that the market is in uptrend. So ultimately we are getting almost the same signal from these 3 indicators. Then it's very easy and easy to trade from such placement. That means you can take buy order from here. This way you can take easily a strong signal by analysis. Analyze in this way can give you a lot of support when an indicator may not work properly. The same rule applies to downtrend. This means that when the point of the parabolic SIR start and then if candle is down of the parabolic SIR, as you can see on the screen, then you will look at the MACD indicator. Then you can see in our MACD indicator, the MACD line is crossing the signal line and goes down. And if we see the last indicator, that is moving average, we can see the market is below the moving average. So we understood that the market is downtrend by watching moving average. So in this way we can safely take sell entry, because we are getting 3 same signal from these 3 indicator. There are many such placement you will see when you come to the market. Then you can trade nicely by analyzing exactly like this. And this strategy works better in larger time frame. 4 hour and 1 time frame are very good. You can try it here and use SLTP as before by looking at the back point. So this was today's video. I hope you understand how to analyze very easily with these 3 indicator and how to get a strong signal. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use ForexBD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under ForexBD's link. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have 0 spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by ForexBD's link, you will get benefit. ForexBD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and NetAlert account by ForexBD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by ForexBD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.